Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm feeling pretty lucky. So it's a beautiful day. Let's go to COPART, but not just any other COPART. Let's go to Las Vegas COPART. Yeah, let's go.
Bound only by frozen memories. It's hard racing all these broken dreams.
Alright you guys, back at the bloom. It's 2 in the morning, so I'm tired. We gotta get some sleep. See you guys in the morning. Alright you guys, this is what I'm looking at. It's a I believe it was a 2016. Oh, it's not 2018. Honda Civic. 11,735 miles. It's got 2 blown airbags. Seat airbag and the side curtain airbag. Let's go inside. I have the key. Let me start this one real quick. It fires right up. You can see the airbag light is on. The flat tire light is on. The brake system failure light is on. This one has suspension damage. Suspension damage. As you can see right here. It could be fixed. We can fix this. It's not a big issue. If I can get it for the right price. You're gonna need a new seat belt. This one is all messed up. A new door. We'll think about this one. We'll think about it. Let me shut it off real quick. The engine is really good. We'll think about this one. Yeah, look at this one, guys. A Corvette. Damn, what a shame. What? CHP. You know what that means. Somebody was racing. No keys, no miles. 2017. What a shame, what a shame. Oh, Stingray. Corvette Stingray. What a shame. Alright guys, this one I am really interested on buying this little minivan. This one here, it's a 2015 Nissan Quest. Very minimum damage. It's basically the front, the bumper, the headlights. And a flat tire. You can see the engine wasn't even touched. Nothing at all. Nothing looks damaged. Nothing. So we need the headlight and we need the fender. And those, you guys know, that's an easy fix. This one's got a key. I got the key. He has 39,000 miles. Let's start it. Let's see. We start. Fires right up. Ooh, look at that. Full tank of gas. Huh? That's a plus right there. The only warning light that we have, the door was open. It's got the brake. Vamos a take it off already. Look at this beauty. Beautiful car. And the bumper is a plus. Bumper's right here on the back. We can fix it. There's plenty of space. Yes, drawers everywhere. Check this out. Cup holders, huh? The AC works good. It's nice and cold. Nice and cool, very nice. A little bit loud. Pass the time. I'm interested on. Let's put it over here. Oops. Runs and drives. Let's go take a look at the body. So it's got the two doors that I like. Open these doors. What's going on with this one? It's not opening. Oh, that's right. I opened this thing. So if you got that on there, it's not going to open all the way. See? That's one door. Let's go take a look at the back. Nissan Quest United. Check this thing out. Huh? You can fold the seats and then pull this little tab. Look at that, bam! You can feel like 4 bodies in there. Huh? See guys, don't drink and drive. There's one here. Another one right there. See? That's what happens when you drink and drive. Look at how this door closes. Automatic. It'll close by itself. We got a flat tire. You can say it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people. 7 people comfortable. very tempting to buy this. This one's got a buy now price. I'm not gonna tell you what the price is, because I don't want you guys buying it from me. Oh, it's leaking coolant. It's got a busted radiator maybe? Oh, the cap. See? This thing wasn't on right, so it was leaking. It was just the cap. So like I said, this one's had a buy now price. I'm really tempted to buy it. It's got a good price, not too expensive. Look at that. A little bit of bent right there. Ooh, popped that right out. I'm really tempted to buy this. Look at that. Okay, you guys, this is the perfect example of why you gotta come and look at the cars. This one online, it says that it's a run and drive. It's got 38,000 miles. It's an Infiniti 2014. Look at this picture. This one's here for a long time. Let's start it right up. Starts right up. The brakes are shut. See that? The brake goes all the way to the floor. All the way. The AC, nothing turns on. Nothing. Radio, nothing. See that? Nothing. Look at this. Somebody was either messing with that or look at all these parts. Look at all the lights on the dashboard. The brakes, flat tires. Look at this one also works before. You're not supposed to do that. Nothing turns on. Nothing. And I'll show you why. That's not something you're gonna see in the pictures. Look at this. You're not gonna see that on the pictures. That's what you gotta come and see. And here, this is the problem. See this cuts, this wire? Somebody cut them. Why would you cut that? Look at the speaker right there. There's no speaker. This car was stripped. Yeah, this one's a no-go. No-go, let's get out of here. Alright you guys, that is it for today. I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe and push the bell so you get the notification every time I make a video. And that's it. We'll see you guys on the next one.